The highly anticipated Fujifilm X-T6 has finally been revealed, and it's safe to say that this next-generation APS-C mirrorless camera is set to shake up the enthusiast and professional photography world. Fujifilm has taken everything users loved about the X-T5 and enhanced it with smart, thoughtful upgrades across the board, from internal hardware to image processing and even design ergonomics. As a flagship X-series model, the X-T6 is not just a camera. It's a clear statement by Fujifilm that innovation and user feedback can be blended into a tool built equally for photography purists and hybrid content creators. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video we'll explore the full specs of the X-T6, highlight the new features that elevate this release above its predecessor, and provide a detailed pricing breakdown so you can decide if it's the right time to upgrade or switch over to Fujifilm's acclaimed X-series ecosystem. At first glance, the Fujifilm X-T6 maintains the timeless retro-inspired design that the X-T series is known for. The solid magnesium alloy body returns, now more refined with slight ergonomic enhancements. One of the most notable improvements is the deeper hand grip, which offers better handling, especially when paired with larger XF lenses like the 50 to 140 mm f/2.8 or the 100 to 400 mm f/4.5-5.6. The weather sealing has also been improved, providing more robust resistance against dust, moisture, and freezing temperatures, ideal for outdoor professionals. Another key refinement comes in the button layout. Fujifilm has subtly redesigned the rear command dial, improved tactile feedback on the top dials, and introduced a slightly larger shutter release button that feels more responsive. The X-T6 retains the classic dedicated dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation, staying true to the analog-inspired experience that Fuji fans love, while refining the overall feel for a more modern touch. At the heart of the Fujifilm X-T6 lies a brand new 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor, a refined version of the one seen in the X-H2. This sensor offers not only incredibly sharp stills with high dynamic range and low noise, but also improved color fidelity, something Fujifilm users already admire. Fujifilm's X-Trans color science has long been praised for producing vibrant yet natural-looking tones, and with the X-T6, those colors reach new heights. JPEG straight out of the camera looks even more film-like, and for raw shooters, there's more latitude in post-processing. Combined with the new X-Processor 5, image rendering is faster and smarter. The processor introduces real-time scene analysis for improved automatic white balance, dynamic range optimization, and noise reduction. The result is clean, detailed images even at high ISO settings, making the X-T6 a top choice for low-light photographers and event shooters. One of the most dramatic improvements in the X-T6 comes in the autofocus system. Borrowing from Fujifilm's top-tier X-H2S, the X-T6 features AI-powered deep learning subject detection. This includes accurate recognition for faces, eyes, animals, birds, vehicles, bicycles, trains, planes, and now even insects. Whether you're shooting portraits, wildlife, or action sports, the camera intelligently tracks your subject with surprising accuracy. Thanks to its 425-point phase detection AF system and improved AF algorithms, tracking is stickier, faster, and more reliable, even in challenging